Hi everyone, good morning. It's time for another Thursday story time, and as always, I'm Kat, your librarian here in Morristown. So today we're going to be reading Tomorrow I'll Be Kind by Jessica Hische, and this is with permission from Penguin Workshop. Tomorrow I'll be kind. Tomorrow I'll be helpful when I see someone in need. Look at those great big words. I won't stand by or hesitate. I'll get up and take the lead. Tomorrow I'll be patient. Your turn, I'll wait for you. And when I'm stuck, I won't give up. I'll take time to see it through. Tomorrow I'll be gentle to creatures big and small. Thinking of what others need, I'll show tenderness to all. Tomorrow I'll be honest. To myself I will be true. And prove that you can trust in me through all I say and do. Tomorrow I'll be generous and show you how I care. We all have ways of giving back and gifts that we can share. Tomorrow, I'll be grateful for what you've given me. Appreciating all I have, your love especially. Tomorrow, I'll be kind. My heart, my guiding light. The smallest spark of kindness shines through the darkest night. Tomorrow, I'll be all the things I strive to be each day. Helpful, patient, gentle, honest, generous, grateful, and kind. Even when it's difficult, I'll work to find a way. But tonight I'm very sleepy, so now it's time to rest. I'll dream of all the good that comes when we all just try our best. Here are our words again. Helpful, patient, gentle, honest, grateful, generous, kind. So let's talk a little bit about how we're being kind in the library. We're being kind in the library, aren't we, Grayson?
Mm-hmm.
We're being kind to each other.
Mm-hmm.
We listen to each other.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the ways that we are being kind to our community is we are caring about our community and we are caring about all the people in it. So when you come into the library, you might see us look like this, wearing masks. This is how we are being kind. We are taking care of each other.
Yeah.
Because when we wear our masks, we know that we are keeping our other people safe, and hopefully when they are wearing masks, they are keeping us safe. So we are doing the best that we can to keep each other safe, and that is how we are being kind today.